Hi guys, my name is Kevin Patel and today I am going to give a brief explanation about using the record macro feature in Microsoft Excel. So, macros allow you to automate repetitive tasks in Microsoft Excel. So to illustrate macros, here is an example in front of you. You are a dealer of all types of cars. Each year you create a report of how many cars are sold and it shows things like the manufacturer of the car, car model, its color, its type, its annual sale and its price of the car. You get to know that there are problems in the report and you have to make lots of changes to get it ready, and those are the things you want to automate using a macro. So before we create a macro, we have to add the developer tab to the ribbon. The way to do that is to go in the file menu and then at the bottom click options. You should see a window that appears and you will click customize ribbon, and on the right hand side you will be able to see the developer option, and you have to check the developer, and that will add a tab to the ribbon in Excel. So you can see that the developer tab has been added. Now we are going to record a macro. So click on the developer option and then click on record macro. So it will generate a window and will tell you to name a macro. So we are going to name it as report cars, and below is a description box, so you have to add some description like report of the car, so it is easy to understand that what is the macro about, and then click OK. So there's a button seen on the top that stop recording. That means your recording has been started. Your macro is being recorded now. You That means the Excel is now tracking uh, every mouse click you perform. So now whichever thing you will do, it will be recorded, and to stop the recording, click on stop recording. So this is all about macro and its recording feature. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching it. See you then. Bye bye.